Hello, welcome to Learning Igbo today. Now we're going to be looking at possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives talks about how to express ownership. How do you tell someone that you are the owner of something? How do you express ownership over something that is your own? Now, to do this, we use a number of words in Igbo language. The first one is first person singular pronoun. First person singular pronoun. Now, the first person singular pronoun is that is my. To express possession with first person singular pronoun, write the object before the pronoun, or say the object or pronounce the object before the pronoun. Let's take a few examples. Akwukwo, my book. You can see Akwukwo is the object and the pronoun is Say Akwukwo, my book. So you are expressing ownership over the book. Ochem, my chair. Akpam, my bag. Ulam, my house. Egum, my money. Enyim, my friend. So this is the first example on how to express possession or ownership. Let's use it to make some sentences. Now, to make sentences with them, we can add subjects. Subjects here are the word that comes first in a sentence. We learned some of them when we were talking about formation of plurals. You can go back and check that particular video. Now let's take a few examples. Nke a bụ akwụkwọ m. This is my book. Ndị a bụ akpa m. These are my bags. Lee oche m. See my chair. Ndị a bụ ego m. These are my money. Ndị a bụ enyi m. These are my friends. So that's how to make sentence with this. Let's take another example. Another one is when we want to use first person plural pronoun. First person plural pronoun. The first one was singular pronoun. This one is plural pronoun. So and the pronoun is anyị. That's our. Now, you also write the object before the pronoun, or you pronounce the object before the pronoun, or say the object before the pronoun, depending on what you want to do. An example, akwụkwọ anyị. See that because it's plural. Our book. Igbo anyị. Our box. Onye nkuzi anyị. Our teacher. Akpa anyị. Our bag. Ego anyị. Our money. So let's make sentence as well. Lee ego anyị. See our money. Nke a bụ ụlọ anyị. This is our house. Ndị a bụ akwụkwọ anyị. These are our books. Lee oche anyị. See our chair. Ndị a bụ akpa anyị. These are our bags. So these are how you make sentences with this. So you can try with as many objects as you can find around you. Okay, so this time I'd like you to do this. Do it. I said try it. Use 3 objects for each of the pronouns and make sentences. The pronouns I mean here are and anyị. So use 3 objects with each of them and use it to make sentences. Do it now so that it will be a form of practice for you. Daalụ.